Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to learn the continuation of third chapter, subtraction. In the last class, we studied about how to subtract a three-digit number from another three-digit number with a regrouping. Here, our first topic is subtraction of four-digit numbers without a regrouping. You can easily understand this with an example. Subtract 5316 from 9748. First, you have to write the given numbers in a place value chart according to the place value of the digits. Now we can start our subtraction process from ones column. In ones column, we have to subtract 6 from 8, that is 2. You have to write 2 in the respective box. Then the next column, tens place column, 4 minus 1, that is 3 tens. You can write in the box. Now when we are going to the hundreds place column, we have to subtract 3 from 7 and the answer is 4 hundredths. Write in the box. Now finally, in the thousands column, subtract 4 from 9 and the answer will be 5 thousands. Write 5 in the thousands place. Now our answer is 9748 minus 4316 is equal to 5432. In this method, the place value of every digit in the subtrahend is larger than that of the respective digits of the minuend. So, we didn't do any regrouping. Our next topic is subtraction of four-digit numbers with regrouping. Firstly, regrouping tens and ones. Here, ones place digit of the subtrahend is smaller than ones place digit of the minuend. You can easily learn this using one example. Subtract 3785 from 9867. First, you have to write the given numbers in a place value chart according to the place value of the digits as we did earlier. Now we can start subtraction. In ones column, we have to subtract 7 from 5. We know that it is not possible to subtract 7 from 5 because 5 is smaller than 7. So we can borrow 1 ten from the tens place column. In tens, the tens place digit in the subtrahend is 8. That means there are 8 tens in the tens place. So we are taking 1 ten from 8 tens and adding it to 5 ones. Then it will be 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Ones place digit will be changes into 15 and tens place digit of the subtrahend will changes into 7. Now we can subtract ones column. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Next go to the tens place column. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Right in the respective place. When we are going to hundreds place, we have to subtract 2 from 4. That is 2 hundreds. Finally, in thousands place, subtract 3 from 9. That is 6 thousands. Right in the respective place. Now we have our answer. This is how we can subtract 4-digit number from another 4-digit number using regrouping. I hope all of you understood this. All of you go through this and study the same topic in your textbook and do the exercises. Thank you all.